forces, repel the Tyranids, then disrupt the Thousand Suns' plans at the Cathedral. Seek out Major Kivar of the 22nd Company on the battlefield. Repel the Xenos. Eradicate the traitor forces.
None of our vile foes will claim victory today. We hear you, King. There will be a glorious victory for the Imperium today.
Ultramarines, praise the Emperor. The Xenos are on us so fast. They tore right through us.
Calm yourself, and point us towards Major Kivar.
The Xenos got him. Major Kivar is gone. Transfer command to me. I am Commander Hotel, 22nd Company. It is my duty to secure the Cathedral Gate Station as our fallback point.
Be steadfast in your defense, Commander. We will reinforce your position shortly. Swamping maggots! The chains of the war will feed. The Imperium's hammer rises to strike! Xenos hunger is insatiable, but the Imperium is indomitable. Commencing reload! Reloading magazine! Ashes to ashes, rust to rust. We as a nation firepower grenade out! Salivate no more, despicable heretic. The legs of those runners!
I cannot believe my eyes!
Our tactical superiority boosts their morale.
Brothers, together we go. My war gear is satisfied. Impediments removed. Swapping magazine!
Ahead. That is where Cadians consolidate their forces.
Commencing reload! Them you a pestilence! I scatter your foul sins to the winds of time. The abomination is no more. I am the righteous storm. Reload! Extermination is come. The world is we are the exterminators become flesh. Sending fragments. The armory is mine. Commencing reload. The scarab conquered your facility. Be as an angel of death. Finishing firepower. Releasing frag grenade. Avenging angel. This taste is purged. Ordnance administered. That pitiful Xenos is but a horrible. Reloading magazine.
Honored Ultramarines, this is Commander Hotel. We are surrounded and outmanned. We are in urgent need of your assistance.
That is why we have come.
That is welcome news. The cathedral gates must be shut if we're to hold on to this sector. Defend the generator units until we have enough power to close the gates. They cannot be allowed to fail.
We will defend your power supply. Finishing firepower.
Gargoyles are attacking the generators!
Our foes must overwhelm us.
stop them.
Another alien born.
25% of power generated. Power reservoir at 50% capacity. Defend the Epsilon generators. Epsilon generators are being attacked.
The Xenos infestation stemmed from that.
You're at 75% power.
Survivor calls for helping us.
Tyranids are swarming the generators near the gates.
Swapping magazine. Magazine empty. War gear requisition. My war gear is set. Commencing reload.
The energy reservoir is nearly full. Just hold them off a little longer. The gates are shutting. Never expected to see it with my own eyes. Let the men have fled at the sight. You did well to stand and fight. Viridian, I have deployed a Redemptor Dreadnought in your vicinity. Let the infantry defend the stronghold. Rendezvous with the Dreadnought and drive the Thousand Suns out of the Ecclesiarchy Cathedral. This is the best chance we can give the Cadians to control this sector.
Jump pack refueled.
Human engine! It flees before us!
Witchcraft bleeds from the cathedral. The Thousand Suns conjure reinforcements. The heretics profaned the Ecclesiarchy complex with a warp rift. Voltus, honored brother, are you in our vicinity?
I am here. Some chasm stands between us. My augurs indicate an allied presence. Prolongate focus.
Brother Voltus, Squad Viridian is honored to share the battlefield with you.
Waste no time, brothers. More killing awaits us.
Our venerable brother has spoken.
Now we follow in his wake.
Vespasia's attack.
of this Xenos soul consumed, now consume its plans. Commencing reload! Dark gods! Show your weapons constantly burn that. Stay close and sharp. This burns with hope and grace.
We are honored to witness our ancient brother in battle once more.
Rooting sticks. Rat shall break. Not let that one conjure reinforcements. Commencing reload. Do you have aspirations, Valius? Your indefatigable spirit would be a boon to you as a leader.
I am content in my duty.
The demands of war mean the chapter can never have too many leaders. Your hour will come.
Thank you. And feel free to mention that to the captain.
Look, it's the gate.
These corrupted wretches cannot withstand my might.
We are getting closer. Find a way to join the dreadnought.
Stim injectors here.
We must find another way to the cathedral.
No paltry obstruction will stay my wrath.
Follow in the footsteps of the ancients and your path shall be clear.
Be as an angel of death.
That silence truly provides shit.
Relics can alter the fate. It is Poor tactics to advance alone. We purge the galaxy of all that festers. War is our deep scan ready, made a path.
Sorcery problem is my progress. I'll take care of the arcane barrier. Let us ensure nothing interrupts our brother.
Suppressing fire! Keep them away from the Redemptor!
Traitors eradicated. This treacherous sorcery will not stand.
Send Gilliman's retreat.
Damage sustained.
We must drive back the assault while Voltus regains his footing.
Tapping reactor. Pulling margins in power. No treachery will stand before me.
Cleanse the battlefield of all enemies!
Locomotion and weapon systems compromised.
Protect the Redemptor until our brother recovers!
Emergency power supply protocol. Complete. Their deception is crumbling.
No targets remain. Is this the glory Magnus promised you?
Let nothing stand in my way.
Behold how the heretics flee before your undying wrath, brother.
Demon entry! Stand back to avoid incineration roads!
Its beauty to breath cannot harm me. It is found a center. I smite you back to the abyss.
You have cast down a foul beast this day, venerable brother.
Ultramarines, praise the Emperor!
Unknown box communicator. Identify yourself.
This is Archdeacon Zonir. I am hidden inside the cathedral. Heretics stormed the sanctum and slaughtered my garrison of Cadians for their dark rituals. The Cadian troops left behind heavy explosives. Alas, they never got to use them against the archenemy.
I am the righteous Lord! Swapping magazine!
Meridian, gather the explosive charges and place them. Traitors draw near. I will destroy any heretic who dares face me.
Secure the explosives and place them where the
Charge
structure is
located.
weakest.
Blasting charge in possession.
Mine planted.
Imperium weeps not for
Explosive ordnance planted. All blasting charges are in place. Our ancient brother awaits.
Cast this desecrated sanctorium down. Bury these heretics, so they never see starlight again.
Trigger the charges and advance to the egress point before the cathedral falls.
Twist. Follow me, my link, and you survive this day.
I am grateful for your offer, Ancient One. But my place is here. I will speak prayers of consecration over the cathedral's final moments.
The Archdeacon has chosen. Purge the heretics until detonation.
The heretics are everywhere.
Traitors and heretics, crumble!